If you want to hide photos and videos on Xiaomi 17, you can go to the gallery. Next, over here, we should be able to, for example, press and hold your finger on the first photo or video that you wish to hide in order to select it. And of course, you can select multiple photos and videos at once. Next, you can choose Add to Album at the bottom of the screen. And in here, we can find the private album option. So we're going to tap on the private album, and then we can press on OK. And there we go. Now we have added to the private album. Now, in order to find the private album, in order to access those hidden photos, you will need to simply swipe down in albums. So at the bottom, you can switch to albums and then swipe down, and there we go. You will need to verify yourself in order to proceed. And here we have our private album with our hidden photos and videos. Now, if you want to unhide them, you'll have to select them again, and then you can choose remove from a private album. And there we go. So let's say I'm gonna move it over here. And that's all you have to do. Of course, you can open a single photo or video, and you can add that one photo or video to the private album by using these three dots in the bottom right corner. And then over here, we have add to album as well, and you can choose the private album in here. Leave a like and subscribe.